Have you been injured in a car accident on 22nd Avenue North in St. Petersburg? At St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys McQuaid and Douglas, we are intimately familiar with car accident cases on 22nd Avenue North in St. Petersburg. In fact, St. Petersburg runs just a short distance from our office, and Jonathan and I both live in St. Petersburg. We take 22nd Avenue North all the time, and we handle cases on that street day in and day out. Now, 22nd Avenue North starts in St. Petersburg on the east side by Coffee Pot Bayou near Snell Isle, and it runs east to west, all the way ending west on Park Street North in St. Petersburg. Starting on the east side and heading west, we see a lot of car accidents at the intersection of 22nd Avenue North and 4th Street North, 22nd Avenue North and 9th Street North. We used to see a ton there at the intersection on the entrance of I-275, but they've changed the traffic patterns there in the last couple of years and made it a lot safer. As you head westbound, we get a ton of cases at 22nd Avenue North and 34th Street North. That's a big intersection. A lot of pedestrians crossing in that area too. A lot of accident claims there. And then I'd say finally we see a lot of accidents around 22nd Avenue North and Tyrone Boulevard, and then 22nd Avenue North and 66th Street North. And those are really the highest volume type locations for car accidents. And then, of course, there's some pedestrian accidents mixed in too. So, unfortunately, if you've been involved in a car accident on 22nd Avenue North and you don't know what to do after the accident, first, you always need to seek emergency medical attention. Most likely you'd be going to Bayfront Hospital or St. Anthony's or maybe even St. Pete General, but absolutely you need to get emergency medical care. If it's not to the extent where you need to go to the hospital, get yourself into an urgent care. Then I suggest you contact a car accident lawyer. Hopefully it's us, but if not, another law firm that can point you in the direction of medical providers that specialize in car accident type injury cases. Your general practitioners, your family doctors, they don't handle car accident injuries. You need to go in with specialists. Unfortunately, there are a ton of specialists in Pinellas County and especially in St. Petersburg. So if you're looking for an idea of where to go, we can help you with that. Next, we set up the claim for your injuries. Part of that claim will be to get the property damage of your car fixed, but also we set up the PIP or no-fault benefits, and then we process and we research and investigate your possible claim for your injuries. We find out if there's any bodily injury insurance from the at-fault vehicle, and then we look to your own insurance policy to see if there's any uninsured motorist coverage. And at the end of the day, after you're done treatment, we submit an appropriate demand to the insurance company for your injuries. So hopefully you're not involved in a car accident on 22nd Avenue North in St. Petersburg, but if you are, Jonathan and I are experienced. We handle these types of cases day in and day out, and we'll be happy to consult with you at no charge.